Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Clark here. Today in math, we're going to be exploring a new strategy in subtraction. We're going to be working on the -0 strategy and the -1 strategy. We're also going to be playing a new game called Subtraction Top It. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with today's math message. It says, use either counting up or counting back to solve 11 minus 3 equals and 14 minus 12 equals. Go ahead and take a couple of minutes to think about the answer to those two problems. Use either the counting up strategy or the counting back strategy. Okay, so 11 minus 3 equals 8. You got it. And 14 minus 12 equals 2. If you said 8 and 2, you are correct. So, how did you decide which strategy to use, either counting up or counting back? Well, when the number you're subtracting is small, count back. I would consider 3 to be a small number. So for 11 minus 3, I would probably count back. I would go 11, 10, 9, 8. And 8 is my answer. If the numbers are close together, like we talked about before, 12 and 14 are pretty close together on a number line. When the numbers are pretty close together like that, you should count up to find the answer. So for 14 minus 12, I thought in my head 12, and then I counted up to 14. 13, 14. So 2 was my answer. What I would like you to do now is to copy these facts on your whiteboards with your whiteboard and marker. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can copy these problems onto your board. Hopefully, you've had time to write these problems on your whiteboard. Have you seen any patterns? Do these facts look like they are easy to solve? Let's go ahead and take a look. What I noticed was all of these problems either had -0 or -1. So here we have 5 minus 0, 8 minus 0 with the answer in a different location, 7 minus 0, 9 minus 1 equals, again, this answer will be in a different location than what you're used to seeing. We have 3 minus 1, 9 minus 0, and 4 minus 0. Let's talk about the -0 and the -1 strategy very quickly. If you have -0 behind a number, the strategy is that, well, you're not taking anything away from that number at all, so the number is going to stay exactly the same. So 5 take away 0, or sometimes I like to think of it as 5 take away nothing at all, would still equal 5. And that's the number that we started with. We started with a 5. So anything -0 is going to be your starting number. Here we have 8 minus 0. 8 take away nothing at all is still 8. 7 take away nothing at all is still 7 because 7's my starting number. 9 take away 0 is going to be 9. And 4 take away 0 is going to be 4. So if we take away 0, we keep the same number that we see at the very start of the problem. We are also seeing some -1 problems on our whiteboards. So if you have a subtract 1 or -1 from any number, just know that it's always the number that comes right before the beginning number. So when I am counting on a number line, I would say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number that comes right before 9 would be 8. So if I take 1 away from 9, it's going to be 8. 8 is 1 less than 9. Let's try that with the 3. 3 take away 1 equals, well, what number comes before 3 on the number line? If you said 2, you are correct. What if I started seeing some larger numbers with -0? Does the -0 trick still work with larger numbers? Yes, it does. If I take nothing away from 87, my answer is still going to be 87 because I didn't take anything away at all. Let's go ahead and think about the -1 strategy with these larger numbers. I see 54 minus 1. Well, I'm thinking, when I'm counting, what number do I say right before I say 54? What do you say before you say 54? If you said 53, you are correct. 67, take away 1. Well, what number comes before 67 when you're counting? If you said 66, you are correct. And 96, take away 1. I think, what number do I say right before I say the number 96? I say 95. So -1 is just 1 less than the starting number. You did a great job following directions today and doing great listening. Today, what I would like you to do in your home links book, I would like you to turn to page 57. 57 looks like this. It says using subtraction strategies. I would like you to go ahead and work on the problems down here at the bottom of the page. One other thing that we're going to be doing is playing Subtraction Top It on our online games. All right. Thanks for listening today. You did a great job. Enjoy your math. Bye.